Hi, I'm Jay. I'm one of the teachers at Community Yoga. I teach 5:45 on Thursdays. A strong but very mindful breath-centric class. I really enjoy teaching at Community Yoga, and I enjoy the people that come there. I'm very grateful, and we're very grateful for them. I hope that anyone new that comes, that they know that they're always welcome, no matter what type of class it is. If it's a class for runners, or if it's a class for in the morning, it's a hot class. People are always welcome. There's always a way to ensure that they feel comfortable there, and that people should always feel, we want people to always feel welcomed when they come into our studio. So I hope to see you. I hope that we can make you feel at home, make you feel comfortable, and if there's anything that we can ever do, or I could ever do when you come into my class, please don't ever hesitate to let me know. Thank you. Namaste.